Hello boys and girls, how is it going? Today, I'm going to be drawing your characters. I've recently posted on Instagram asking you guys what you want to see me draw. And you, my friends, have some incredible ideas that I just can't let go. So, I'm just gonna draw them.
So let's get this party started, my friends.
Oh god, what am I doing? I've decided to make YouTube videos now. Did I do the right thing? Okay, so the first one is from Nawab Rafiq. He thinks I should draw a plague man. I suppose you mean a plague doctor? So that's what I'm drawing. I'm going to speed this up, make this a time lapse so that you can sit back and enjoy the process. So we have got everything, the leather gloves, the leather clothing, hat, goggles, and the beak-shaped mask. Everything is perfect. We'll call this finished and on to the next one. So the next one is from Goshibi and he wants me to draw a schizophrenic, war-torn holy man. So I'm going to create this warrior from medieval times, of course. And maybe some black monster or something behind him, like his hallucinations maybe? And we will call this finished. Moving on to the next one, ladies and gentlemen. And the next one is from Nadi and Absoluto. He says, or she says, I designed a zombie punk rock band singer. If you do it, I'll show you my version. Alright, Natty, it's on. Alright, looking good. Let's leave it there. On to the next one we go. So the next one is from Link of Loxley, a character based on the Angel of Death. Ooh. So a large set of black wings and a halo above the head. I'm so sorry for the generic approach to these characters, man. I just had to make these quick.
Behold the angel of death. I am not here to take your life, but I am here to warn you that I might. So fear the day when the wrath of the gods come crashing on you.
So the next one is from Hasnan Raza, a rogue Viking. I love drawing Vikings. Of course I will draw a Viking for you, Hasnan. Time lapse coming up. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, let's see what we have got so far.
We have got a zombie punk rock star.
We have got a rogue Viking.
We have a plague doctor.
The Angel of Death, a schizophrenic holy man, and that's about it. Alright, let's do one more and end this video. What do you say about that? So the last one, it's from PD Banik. I'm so sorry if I don't pronounce your name correctly. So it's a monk with shaved head and he has a sword similar to katana. Alright, let's get this last one done. And I'm so sorry if I have missed your ideas. Maybe next time I'll draw yours.
Here you go, guys, it's done.
This was amazing. Alright, how to end this? How do I end this?
If you like this video, my friends, be sure you subscribe. Smash that like button. Give me a sea of comments and suggestions.
Click the bell icon so whenever I post another video.
You get notified, my friends.
Alright folks, have a great weekend. See you in the next video. Bye. Your video was out of focus. Oh my god, you screwed it up. What a mess.